Hello everyone, so I'm back with another update. This will be pretty quick. On the desktop view, I changed the footer. I just cleaned it up a little bit. Instead of having, I think I had 4 columns maybe of just the text. I condensed it into just 2 for the links, and then I put the address. I centered it to make it stand out so that it won't get confused with the links. I actually decided to keep the italicized font. And then I went ahead and changed the social media links to yellow to make them stand out. I used the same accent color as the button. What I really wanted to show is I made it responsive. So I'll show it on mobile view. I added this neat little animation. I use a transform scale property to decrease and increase the size as well as the rotate. So it rotates and the size grows and shrinks. So that's what gets this effect. All right, I made the text centered on mobile, made the button span all the way across just so you have enough room for those with big thumbs. Keep scrolling down. I condensed this like mission statement section to just a single row. I took away the quotation marks for the quotes. I may like see what it looks like to kind of put the quotes in the background, like maybe a lighter color or so that I can still have that image, kind of like make it look a little fancy. However, I'm just wondering how readable would the text be. So I don't know. If it doesn't look good, I'll probably just keep it with the dark background. Services, just like the mission statement, I made all of these just in one column. And then the footer, everything in one column. And then I decided to center the address, social media icons, and then this is the attribution, but my little recorder's covering it up so you can't see it. And then I'll just go ahead and change it to responsive view. So I think I did 768 pixels, something like that. So around that, the hamburger button it becomes invisible, and then the regular navigation comes back because it's centered. I could change it smaller than I normally would. I increase the size of the font. This is still one column because it's like it's still at that weird size. It wouldn't, I don't know, it just wouldn't have enough space, I don't think, so just kept it in the center. I changed these to being 2 by 2 rather than just a single column because you do have more space. And then the footer, same thing, 2 by 2. And then the rest of it is still centered at the bottom. All right, and now, all right, now it changes back. So when you do have enough room, I made these display flex in a row, and then I added the right border. I didn't think it looked right when the screen was smaller, so it only shows up in the media query once the screen size is big enough, and then the giant quotation mark comes back once you get to a certain width. And then the services are all in a row, and then the footer is back to how it normally is. And then I did a max width of 1400, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so you just get more white space on the edges for anybody with a wider screen. But yeah, that's what I have so far. Thanks for watching.